The park is very beautiful today. The park is very beautiful today. I put on my running shoes. I put on my running shoes. I open the small park gate. I open the small park gate. I start walking down the path. I start walking down the path. The morning air feels fresh. The morning air feels fresh. I see green grass everywhere. I see green grass everywhere. A big tree has green leaves. A big tree has green leaves. I hear a small bird singing. I hear a small bird singing. A little bird sits on a branch. A little bird sits on a branch. The golden sun is very bright. The golden sun is very bright. I walk past a blue bench. I walk past a blue bench. A man sits on the bench. A man sits on the bench. He reads a thick morning book. He reads a thick morning book. I say good morning to him. I say good morning to him. He smiles and waves his hand. He smiles and waves his hand. I see pretty pink flowers. I see pretty pink flowers. A yellow butterfly flies away. A yellow butterfly flies away. I take a deep breath here. I take a deep breath here. I drink water from my bottle. I drink water from my bottle. The water is very cold. The water is very cold. A cute dog runs past me. A cute dog runs past me. The dog barks very happily. The dog barks very happily. A young boy plays with a ball. A young boy plays with a ball. He throws the red ball high. He throws the red ball high. A girl rides her small bicycle. A girl rides her small bicycle.
Hi everyone! Please like and subscribe to my channel. It means the world to me.